Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel AI Income Lab. Let me ask you a simple question. What if I told you that you can start making money online just by creating simple designs on your phone or laptop? Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to be a professional designer. You don't need expensive software. And you don't even need years of experience. All you need is a free tool called Canva and a little bit of creativity. Today, thousands of beginners are making money online using Canva and simple AI tools. Some people are designing YouTube thumbnails. Some are creating social media posts for businesses. And others are even selling digital products online. And the amazing thing is, many of these people started with zero experience. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how beginners can start making money with Canva in 2026. I will also share 3 simple methods that anyone can start, even if you are completely new. So make sure you watch this video till the end because the last tip can help you work faster using AI. Now let's get started. What is Canva? Before we talk about making money, let's first understand what Canva actually is. Canva is one of the most popular graphic design tools in the world. It is a simple online platform where you can create professional designs in just a few minutes. The best part about Canva is that it is very beginner-friendly. Even if you have never designed anything before, you can still create amazing designs using Canva templates. With Canva, you can create things like YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, business logos, presentations, posters, flyers, resumes, social media graphics, and many more things. Another great thing about Canva is that it now includes AI tools that make designing even. Because of these features, Canva has become a powerful tool for freelancers and online creators. Now let's talk about how you can actually make money using Canva. Method 1. Make money by designing YouTube thumbnails. The first and one of the easiest ways to make money with Canva is YouTube thumbnail design. Every YouTube video needs a thumbnail. And thumbnails are very important because they help attract viewers to click on the video. That's why YouTubers are always looking for people who can design eye-catching thumbnails. The good news is that you can easily create thumbnails in Canva. Canva already provides thousands of thumbnail templates. All you need to do is choose a template, change the text, add images, adjust colors, and your thumbnail is ready. The whole process can take just 5 to 10 minutes. After creating thumbnails, you can sell this service on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Many thumbnail designers charge between $5 to $20 per thumbnail. Let's say you design just 5 thumbnails per day. Even if you charge only $5 per thumbnail, you could make $25 per day. And as your skills improve, you can charge even more. Many freelancers are already earning hundreds of dollars per month just by designing thumbnails. Method 2. Create social media designs for businesses. The second way to make money with Canva is by creating social media content for businesses. Today, almost every business is active on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and these businesses need daily posts and graphics to stay active online. But many small businesses don't have time to design their own posts. So they hire freelancers to create social media designs. This is where you can help them. Using Canva, then you can offer social media design services to small businesses. Many freelancers charge $50 to $200 per month to manage simple design work for businesses. Even if you get just 2 or 3 clients, you can build a stable monthly income. Method 3. Sell digital products made with Canva. The third and one of the smartest ways to make money with Canva is by selling digital products. Digital products are things that people can download online. For example, resume templates, Instagram templates, business planners, ebooks, workbooks, Notion templates, social media kits. The best part about digital products is that you create them only once, and then you can sell them again and again. This is called passive income. For example, you can create a simple resume template in Canva, then upload it to platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip. Every time someone buys your template, Many people are making hundreds or even thousands of dollars by selling simple digital products. And the best thing is that Canva makes the whole process very easy. Powerful tip: combine Canva with AI. Now here is a very powerful tip that many freelancers are using today. Combine Canva with AI tools like ChatGPT. For example, you can use AI to generate content ideas. Then use Canva to turn those ideas into visual designs. Let's say you want to create Instagram posts. You can ask AI to generate 10 motivational quotes. Then use Canva to design beautiful quote posts. This strategy helps you create content much faster and easier. Many freelancers use this combination to complete projects quickly and earn more money. Final advice for beginners: tools like Canva and AI have created huge opportunities for beginners. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need advanced skills. You just need to start learning and keep improving. And the earlier you start, the faster you will grow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video. And if you want to learn more about AI tools, freelancing, online side hustles, and ways to make money online, then make sure to subscribe to AI Income Lab. Also comment below and tell me, which Canva method are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.